It is widely agreed that China's economy has strengthened from the soft patches it experienced early in the year. Many key sectors such as investment and industrial production seem to have bottomed out and picked up speed since September. China's economy grew 6.7% in the first 3 quarters and is on track to meet the government's annual growth target. But economists say pressures remain, as it is too early to tell if the worst is over.
Reach to the bottom does not mean there is a overturn to a high speed. Maybe it is flat. So just we mentioned, it is only reached the bottom. It not means we're going up. So next year will constant.
I believe the monthly investment figures are very volatile. What matters most is that private investment growth is still much lower than GDP growth. It's lower than investment by SOEs, by the public sector, and it's also lower than investment in unproductive housing.
Analysts say Chinese government implemented policy moves to spur growth, including tax credit and construction spending. But they say it may take time for the policy effects to trickle down to private players.
确实，今年的政策推动的力度是比较大，而且大家去看。
We have seen major support from policy fronts, including fiscal policies. The implementation is faster and the amount is higher than before. We should keep on watching whether the fiscal revenues could pump into the real economy, whether government initiatives could drive private sectors into infrastructure building. Markets are watching over the effectiveness of the policies and its drive on private investment.
Economists say that for 2017, the immediate headwinds come from easing in real estate investments and uncertainty from China's trade partners.
Housing sales are going down. It remains to be seen how much that will really weaken housing and real estate investment, and what that means, for instance, for growth and employment and also local government revenues. So that is challenge number 1.
Protectionism is a tendency for the world. As the G20 in Hangzhou, they said this is the danger. Stagnation of the globalization. Even the globalization, shrunk.
Many experts believe China still needs to accelerate the tempo of its structural reform over the long run. And they expect coordinated measures in state firms, taxation, and even social security to help achieve the goal. Ming Tian, CCTV, Beijing.